Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can connect any free Wi-Fi networks on your iPhone. You won't need any permission, just tap on any free Wi-Fi and connect them. This is not for only iPhones, but also you can do that with Android too. You will need an app, just install that from Play Store or App Store, then you can use it from Android phones also. Okay, so the name of the app is InstaBridge. Download it from App Store. It's free once you have downloaded the app. Just open it and you can see here hundreds of different Wi-Fi networks in an area. So you can tap on anyone and some will even show the uploading and downloading speed also. So just tap here and you will get the Wi-Fi name, password, and you even can share it with other people's. And here you can filter the Wi-Fi networks on connectivity, speed, and venue. Not only your area Wi-Fi, but also anywhere in the world. If we just go to another country, you will get like hundreds of different free Wi-Fi networks. Just tap on any free Wi-Fi and you will get the passcode on connect to any Wi-Fi without knowing the passcode or without having to ask anyone for Wi-Fi passcode. You can add Wi-Fi network, so if you want to add your Wi-Fi or any other Wi-Fi that you're connected to so other people can also connect to that network, you can make it public or private, invite only. So that's how you can connect to any Wi-Fi for free from your iPhones with the help of this app. It's very useful for a lot of people. So let me know in the comments what are your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos. And now I'll see you in the next one.